You didn't just fall in love, you started to build your foundation. You learned each other's worlds. But the real sacrifice is right there. But more importantly, you helped each other grow.
Oh my God!
She's thoughtful, empathetic, caring, and positive. Your biggest fan, always inclusive.
Gonzalo, we've been hearing your name since our JP Morgan 2016 internship, guys. It's been a decade. And nearly a decade later, we thank you for loving Sophie the way she deserves.
Love is not sustained by feelings. It is sustained by God's grace.
Sophia, I know I say this for all of us here tonight. Thank you for saying yes and lighting up our world.